The fishbone knitting stitch is a really enjoyable stitch to knit. It's relatively simple. It comprises 2 stitches, the knit stitch and the purl stitch. The pattern has 2 rows to it, and you cast on in multiples of 4 stitches, which will give you the pattern. The front is very different to the back. The back is your traditional purl stitch. Row 1, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and towards you. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 1 stitch, and then you pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch, and that completes the 4 stitches in the pattern. And now you repeat it. Knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, move the yarn over and towards you. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch. Row number 2 is your purl row. Purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, yarn over towards you, take your yarn around the needle into the purl position, purl 2 together, and that completes our pattern for row 2. Now you repeat it. Purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, yarn over and towards you, purl 2 stitches together, and there you have it, a beautiful fishbone stitch, quick, simple and easy. It's going to look great on your knitting project.